Hey everyone, Alex from Awkward Styles with our DTF transfers here, and I'm going to show you how to press these. Let's go. Before we press them, let's go over the specs on these transfers. To find them, go to Heat Transfers from the home page and search DTF, or you can click on Direct to Film on the left-hand menu, click on that, and then scroll to the formula. Our DTF transfers are made by printing your designs onto transparent heat transfer film. They make for stunning, vibrant prints and have a low application temperature, so they're suitable for almost any fabric and last well over 50 washes without cracking. Now their starting price is at $16.43 per 22 by 12 inch gang sheet, and these are printed in CMYK, so you aren't limited by the number of colors. And remember, we have the most user-friendly mockup generator for gang sheets out there, and it's available for free, so don't miss out. You can find all gang sheet sizes available on our website. You can also view all artwork requirements on each formula's product page. Now let's get to pressing. First, set your heat press between 285 to 325 degrees Fahrenheit depending on the fabric type that you're using. I set mine to 325 since the t-shirt that I'm using is 100% cotton, and you already know I'm pressing on our preferred blank super soft apparel. So lay your design down where you want to print it and make sure your pressure is set to 60 psi on an automatic machine like the one I'm using, or 8 to 9 heavy pressure on a manual machine. You're going to press for just 10 seconds and you can peel hot and you're good to go. No need to wait for your transfer to cool down.